16th, the committee declares the result as follows. The election is अनुकूल. For the post of President, Shri Chetan Desai, lifelong Shri Kumar Netawalkar, Executive Committee members. 1. Akbar Mullah. 2. Daya Pagi. 3. Desh Kindekar. Samir Carol. Mohan Hari Chodankar. Naik Manohar Ango. Sayyid Abdul Majid. Sri Krishna Tari. Suraj Lotlikar. Venkatesh Kanik Prabhudesai. Vijay Gaonkar. Vinod Padke and Yatin Amulikar.
And I, being the president, I know that I have got a lot of powers where I can dictate terms with a lot of things, which normally I wouldn't want, because constitution is one thing which is applicable even in your own house, but nobody utilizes that. So this is like a family. All the clubs should have faith in the managing committee of Goa Cricket Association, and no one should go to the court if the things go very well, and if the constitution provides the right kind of things for each and every one, then I think the constitution will help a lot to all the clubs.
The Ranji team needs a coach, so have you put your mind to who will be the next coach and what is the plan for their preparations?
See, although we were fighting in the court of law, we were also looking at the on-field, which is our main priority.